Replacing accessories on a regular basis is important for keeping your Orca functioning properly. In this video, we'll guide you through wax guard replacements. Wax guard is the white circular plastic that protects your hearing aids from being distorted and muffled by earwax buildup. We recommend replacing your wax guards once every 1 to 2 weeks. First, take the wax guard pack out of the box. Take one of the 8 black sticks inside the pack. The black end of each stick is used to remove the old wax guard in your hearing aid, and the white end of the stick is used to install the new wax guard. Pull off the dome and insert the black end into the middle of the old wax guard. Twist it clockwise to tighten it, then slightly bend the stick and pull it out to remove the old wax guard. Flip over the stick. Insert the white end into the receiver until the wax guard is at the same level with the edge of the receiver. Then pull the stick off and put the dome back on. The wax guard stick is disposable. For more accessories, contact us at support@highorca.com.